Okay, let's look at number 9. An insurance company examines its pool of auto insurance customers and gathers the following information. And it's all listed right there. And then let's jump down to the question. Calculate the probability that a randomly selected customer insures exactly one car, and that car is not a sports car. Okay, I feel like a Venn diagram is in our future. So let's try to identify the events and sort and organize this information. So all customers insure at least one car. So my universal set here is going to be customers that insure all the customers, and they insure one car at least. All right, then we have 70% of the customers insure more than one car. 20% of customers insure a sports car. Of the customers who insure more than one car, 15% insure a sports car. Okay, so I'm going to create the following Venn diagram. First of all, you all should pause and solve it first on your own, and then come back and look for the solution. So if we say this is more than one car, then outside of that circle is exactly one car, right? Because we know anybody in the universe has insured at least one car. So either it's more than one car or it's exactly one car. All right, and then we'll say sports car is over here. All right, so I know the circle that is more than one car needs to sum to 70%, and the sports car needs to sum to 20%. Now this next piece of information is going to help us unravel. Of those who insure more than one car, so in the more circle, 15% insure a sports car. So 15% of the 70% goes into that intersection. Okay, so what do we have here? 3, I think it's 0.105. Yeah, there we go. 0.105 is what goes here. All right, now we can use that piece of information to figure out the rest. So this should be 69.5. That would make that sum up to 70, and then this should be 0.095. That would sum up to 20. So we're left to find the stuff outside, which is outside of more than one, so exactly one, outside of sports car. So exactly one car, and it is not a sports car. That's what we're looking for, is the stuff outside the circles. So if I just add up all these pieces and subtract from 1, so I got my 70% plus the 0.095, that gives me 79.5%. So what's outside is if I subtract that, and that is going to be 0.205. Looking at my answer choices, I see that B is the closest.